Hello everyone, good morning. Today is Sunday, so I'm going to church. So I'm ready to go now. So before I go, I'm gonna check everything in my room. If the window is closed, door is closed, all appliances is off. So I'm gonna check this and let's go. The door is closed. That is door going to rooftop outside. So that's my toilet and it's everything. The iron is off and rice cooker heater is off and it's everything here is off. So I'm going down to check and then I can go because today it's my employer, it's not here. So this is the fourth floor. So the window, I'm gonna check the window if I close. See, yes, I close, I got it. So and here also the office is closed and the window here is closed also. And I go down. So guys, kailangan ko i-check ang bahay bago ako umalis kasi pauwi yung amo ko galing from holiday. They have a business travel. So I don't know what time they coming back home today. Whether I'm not here or tonight, I don't know, or middle of the night, I don't know. But I want to sure na everything it's okay. If they come home, that I'm not at home, so it's everything it's okay. So nasa bus tayo. So 5 minutes na lang nasa church tayo. So kabababa lang natin, madami. Ay, ang cute ng doon na yung church. Yan ang church. Tatawid po tayo. Tatawid po. Yan po ang church. So dito, nag-umpisa na yung mass. Late na ako ng 5 minutes. So, but by the way, okay lang. So, papasok na tayo.
Will be released on 19 August. For more information, you may refer to Pope Francis website. Second, Paris community welcome banner for Pope Francis visit. Pope Francis will be arriving in Singapore on 11 September and the organizers are
So guys, tapos na yung mass. So thanks be to God and bless you always also mga guys. Thank you Lord. Tapos na yung mass. So magala tayo saglit at uuwi sa bahay kasi maganda naman ang panahon, mainit na mainit. So maggala-gala tayo muna saglit. So yan. ng simbahan, Blessed Sacrament dito sa Singapore. Yan. So, paglabas, so, uuwi na ako mamaya. So, dito po yung church ng Indian. So, yan ang church ng Indian dito sa Singapore. Yan. So, yan. Mayroon po sila na horse sa kabila. So, gusto ko sana papasok dun sa loob pero wala akong kasama.
Pasir Panjang MRT.